Entimi Kobina man can be the penny for say and yet it will come by Abronye, a Yabron regional MPP chairman. On Abronye DC, also Obe can be. A year Penny Kevin Taylo as a restaurant Danasono. Supreme Court urgent 2 minutes are quash them quash the arrest warrant from Kevin Taylo. And no Abronye Adam Albertumbe. Now on say assembly by no. Amount for Eddie Kevin Taylo air compare career points and I can't quite DJs for 10 years. Some music Kevin Taylo found to any for Kens and to Abronye. Abe defend the Canada Japan on this matter. No way no, wabe fire. He wa fire Mahama. Jenana ehun abo ansem ni mo. Now from the judges squad no so ekwatena asem so mo every Kevin Taylo no. Abronye has a package for all of them. How you Penyah Block Media. Best was any demo. Obe like this video no other ma subscribe button and sound back the notification and latest updates. Na better watch on the mama e comment section. Best was obaswa. No achieve no force any be ahwe. This is the overview of the arrest warrant na Eda Kevin Taylo. So obekea Mahama eba adidie the first term I say of started 2013 ebe 2016 okwa homije mu a ana justice his lordship Justice Jebafo ejeli Eugene Bafo Boni ana or serve under Mahama ana say oye one of committee of a certain board under Mahama ana Justice Jebafo ejeli no say there be akwai wedisika tono serve under Mahama as a board chairman wedisika emu ana Kevin Taylo ekodi di chief justice atem Emma judge no file contempt against Kevin Taylo say there be what's my work kind contempt means speaking to undermine courts or a judge. It will file contempt against Kevin Taylo. Emma accept that honum Kevin Taylo obeba wa ma any judge agent to me so issue arrest or a bench warrant on Kevin Taylo. Any say Kevin Taylo twen ya say and this eba abemu no any Kevin Taylo abada okoba iron say Mahama appointed some Mahama the chief justice be abegu Supreme Court honum e de no unia ye kunne eba ye and obai that bench warrant na eda no so no omu akokotwam eye free no so e de aman anya isi Kevin Taylo no is no longer a fugitive. Bench warrant or arrest warrant means you are a fugitive of the law. I say obi ehu abontena ne ho dense ne wa obetima moa wo de waba na asme bana manfo bi ebo for media as ege can be say there be adentina restaurant Eda Kevin Taylo so na first place obaye ne ya nchena ngotum na ono na tima betena Ghana ye the security council na ebo no ho ban na ono tima nante akopiem Supreme Court ya nche no na ho no wasa akodi asem class akodi nkunim de na Ghana kwa na se bai Abronye abefaya na what the exposés bi abai te say efa jena na ho Mahama na face no Supreme Court judges no mko yesa ade we no wafaya wo nyina
Kevin Taylo e use your mine security e facilitate here all the filing fee one be free office and the call lawyer no e mo ko file application no all the filing fees a yawu aid and a drive here at the filing fee ni call lawyer no office at the command me bo akasa me bo
continue
madam yeti krom ha no emfa ni fa ye mu binum ni agro mami yeti krom emfa ye mu binum ni agro me say filing fee no every office straight because the office of the presidency see amino kasenu some appointees our President Mahama office any Kevin Taylo will problem. Yes, President Mahama, the president office, Judge Bauer and call the secretary of the executive secretary to the president, the senior presidential staffer, Judge Bauer. Any Julius Debranum Ninano, any Kevin Taylo will problem, and that is a fact. And to who now fight today, facilitating everything at their back door. Any security for Kasaye, how to protect Kevin Taylo, because Kevin Taylo Baba Yewa Duma as a presidential candidate amount. Because what the neighbor said, oh, me didi, so no betina Ghana dia, obetima konka, obetima didi, Julius Debratem, obetima didi asiedun katiatem, obetima didi Harun Edrusu atem, obetima didi Erikopoku numatem, because we say Kevin Taylo dia base on Sato Modawa, obetina Ghana ha. All the presidential aspirants, you believe in Kevin Taylo, you have the confidence in Kevin Taylo, say, obetima Sato Modown. Are you so Stacy? all the equipment wato ama Kevin Taylo ba set it down Ghana we know na say we amakan ebe baso life to say TV na Ghana for be ka say ohia TV there information there ehaya na obeti afri me no ka say machines ya Kevin Taylo ebe set up nyina no Professor Jane na Jemana to amano all because our presidential agenda and to onam nyina no omompaye se me pa hoden na mom ne mpaye obo no nyina no se tetem agenda no ebe pagya an sampaye no de o pesampaye anu ohye pa brame ho mebo biama because nkaye de de anim se ka oda mpaye a obo pa ya hoden mpaye ba sampaye no mo obi da bia so ti asia mpaye a obo no se tetem agenda no entimi nye yie ne chese waba race sampaya ne de me no foa so ene de opɛ fasting ene mpaya mu oduru enye nkrofo bi de amebɔ ma na yeyie se be ya tetem no emfa na mom se wadwi ni sa akwa we ene ebe shut down Julius Debra odi ni ba be face Julius Debra because Julius Debra wo media stations omo wo boys wo omo ha adwen enti ese se wo prepare Kevin Taylo now man studio na eduru presidential primaries na obetima tena Julius Debra station ni konso obetima attack Erikopokunom obetima attack Asiedu Nkatia sa Asiedu Nkatia na wi sem ayi ono ni media house na ewo nanum Asiedu Nkatia ono ni media house no bi ni de ewo nanum nti ono ano ayi radio station na onam nti wo de na ba enu nti na wo te hu fifire say Emma Kevin Taylo back passing all man national security protecting it throughout the state. A filing man is a man who aid in a discano, a call lawyer no office. More file application in we know. And yet I can say on authority send me a course one. President John Mahama, a brand publication by say Kevin Taylo court Supreme Court no and send on no cry away. Oh, komodidia e course wo enyina akopensa obaba Ghana no eye Professor Jane na Adjumai ene ye but Penyah Mahama ne can't tell agenda also is good obwa bedru babi e bebo recordings and you will be shocked yere niam atentia ye bebo recordings ana ma me no to office obabo wunsa mama yes Babo some meetings ya wo ye for one BC no mebo recordings wo babo unsam mama anti ye din ho case na akoso na wo facilitate no eno ho asam na me bekan ye mfa bibia anto nchen yes ye nyina ye gitum say honorable Kennedy Japan edidi judge atema na asase ho asem e fact say odidi judge na tem because all the case kwakwato na say office say case in favor na wo media station you don't go to the media station to attack the judge and odidi judge na tem no and a judge no issue contempt proceedings against you then you run to the Supreme Court and a Supreme Court kwashe yate because say what nothing na say also ye NDC lawyer anti both MPP for honorable Kennedy the fact say me ni what issue no mo compare sa cases ni mienu a enye ye me dey say the assembly system no the fact say me ni what issue no nche say me hu nokora menka say the assembly system sa na meka no mo compare honorable Kennedy Japan case no to Kevin Taylo de na enye ye because Kevin Taylo case no time ewo mramu na ma chire mu time ewo mramu enti mo maye ntrase me nkase me ne wo issue ntino na me de compare say honorable Kennedy Japan ye bi no Supreme Court kwase ye na NDC lawyers ne post to social media say the same thing in the case of the Republic versus High Court expert Kennedy Japan mo compare bia mo sa lawyers na mo draw sa comparison mo law awu. The facts of the case are not the same. The issue, yeah, can one same, and yet the same. Nyedi kan Canada Japan de no or attack judge no and a judge no issue contempt proceedings. And a Canada Japan call Supreme Court. Within that month na no and a Supreme Court to kwashe judge ni decision no. So far Kevin Taylo de na the law of sexual right. Lawyers now muntie me no. They should call and challenge me. Where a legal issue na ye kan wasem. Na yen fan say Supreme Court judgment no. Omu follow legal process ya na. Omu follow their own rules. Omu follow law, due process no omu follow ya na. Enti Canada Japan dia na ye. That simple. Ya issue contempt. Ana High Court issue contempt wa didi judge atem. Enti okwa Supreme Court to say woman kwashe the judge ni ye no ana okwa ye no wakwa we ni ana ofa Kevin Taylo de na odidi judge na tem no ana judge ni issue contempt, the law of contempt me pelo ya ni a obetima frame number na me de na call lie no aka say nyesa na tie the law of sexual right no se court to be take a decision na se decision no ene 23rd July 2025 and a judge say yemfa Abronye emra ewo nanim na Abronye makire die ntia yes atene contempt a enye yie ene 23rd no me were up to 6 months to challenge the judge decision in the form of or by way of sexual right application. And you take a decision in 23rd July 2025. Me was 6 months to challenge the decision by way of sexual right application until July 2. January 23rd, 2026. Nature say 6 months na emrane kire say judge be take decision. Na say me person me go by sexual right application. The law is that you have 6 months. After 6 months, you cannot apply for sexual right. That is the law. Lawyer for them free. Number no ewa free anafa o message bra. Sameboa. That is the law of sexual right. Say ene 23rd judge ya take decision. Say me pese me ya appeal. Na mpese sexual right ne kire say me kwakwa to akokwashi decision no e different from appeal. E different from appeal. Appeal there wo call for the entire proceedings ni nyina say court no ntnase no nya re-evaluation. But when there wo kwa say omunko to that particular decision ngu because baby atichema eno na ye call by sexual right application. Na mramu time a wode be call for sexual right no e da ye take decision no who 6 months na wakwa challenge sexual right application no. Ofa Kevin Taylo de na ye take decision no 2020 February 2020 and now 5 years near 5 years 5 months adia mrane kire say you can only challenge a decision by way of sexual right application within a 6 months period. After the 6 months I expire you can only go for an extension of time. So what Supreme Court Supreme Court no mubu asem no where the High Court rules no or 6 months to challenge a decision of the High Court by way of sexual right. to apply for a sexual right. Tamben will apply. And it's court now on the court's own motion and not guarantee that extension of time now. I'm yet to receive the ruling. Our Tnanopa near de Bana de Baba. Naya Babam how at the end here. But Oman court sans say ya make come once a me. A piano Kevin Taylo follow yes. 6 months deadline no I come and yes me call for extension of time 1 year bibia and on what basis and an yedi can cross Supreme Court etimi assume jurisdiction a determine matter no because the application even the application ankasa before the court no incompetent application is incompetent and how come a Supreme Court will preside over an incompetent application and gave a ruling to favor a nipana or the incompetent application by. These are the questions we should ask. One, the application is incompetent because 6 months period to apply for a sexual no come. There was no extension of time for him to apply for that sexual right. And the court no. On what basis? Wamwana in their own motion, Wamaka say, even though Asunkrana, Wama grantia manana, incompetent application. And ye bisa say, Inka hiani bi, Obia only be, Obia wa in sa one prison, wako via banchi. And time asu say 6 months, court was say 6 months, onye bibi. And 6 months na pa ho and a nipa ne this sorara application by ya ka Supreme Court no be grant ya manana. We are asking Sanko be grant ya manana. These are the questions. And Friday you digest one more reason no na ya de atoto ne me kan se sanity ya. And Supreme Court no any right to say one more in their own motion no one be granted Kevin Taylo extension of time one request for because it's a sorara application and it's a time na so na se nipa na follow rules no na so the application ne ba na so application ne out of time Supreme Court no enye mo na mo ba correct obi application ama no enye mo na mo ba correct obi application for sorara before the Supreme Court no na Kevin Taylo was out of time and yeah that mo grant man no. Producers, mumisa questions, the application Kevin Taylo was out of time in the Sorara application. So how comes the Supreme Court a granting application applicant no out of time? Or out of time the application is incompetent and dead on arrival. And Obia will write, I will side with the lawyers now. Wamonka say a bad precedent. Hey, what say? Yes, a bad precedent. Say somebody who was out of time, somebody who is out of time to apply for a particular application. Now 1 year, now judges need to meet last year. Near say they are granted. Mutimima incompetent application by incompetent at the apex court. At the apex court, incompetent application by competent. And you think some of us young can want some incompetent application. Not time I read Nimpano. Now or this application now by Supreme Court to entertaining. Wamrekwa rules na modi ya jumano e Supreme Court. The rules say even in your own decision, Supreme Court decision, if you want to challenge it by way of sexual right, you have 90 days. So how come a Supreme Court will sit down and preside over an incompetent application? I have 5 years sexual right application. Not the very decision now all challenge you know. At the 5 years, 5 months. Why? And you think say obia sure say what can Supreme Court to be free say koto ho ne yemfa bentoa entua. Yabaka ho asem. Yankoya nim ene asem kese.
Kyerɛ wadwe mame ɛwɔ comments dwe ne nsɛm a ohia TV kwamba fa Abronye or what they can refer that Kevin Taylo say yeah will be bench warrant dance on the air concern. What is your view on this particular issue? Wait until I amame. Our comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Agra.